Hello everyone, welcome back to NRK Guide. In today's video, I'm unboxing this massage gun. Brand name is Vellax and it's a percussion massage gun. It consists of 50 to 100 mAh battery, latest LCD screen, brushless motor, 9 speeds, and also it will measure our body temperature and heart rate. Without wasting any time, let's unbox this massage gun. Oh, very nice. It came with case. I think I opened it upside down. Let's arrange it first. Charger, this is the massage gun, bit heavy but can be manageable. Searching for the on button. Yay, here it is. Power button is visible now. Let's keep this aside. Before using this gun, we will go through the user manual first. These are the specifications. This massage gun is made out of Aluminium alloy plus PP plus ABS. Massage head material is PP plus EVA. Motor head diameter is 55 mm. Beat range is 12 mm. 9 adjustable speeds. Speed range is between 1680 to 3500 rounds per minute. Available accessories are charger, 8 heads, user manual. Charging time is 3 to 4 hours. If we charge for 3 to 4 hours, we can use it up to 6 to 8 hours. These are the 8 massage heads. The first one is round head. It can be used for the shoulders and neck. Second one is 5 claw head. It can be used for muscle bulging such as calves. This is the fork head, suitable for both sides of the spine. This is called shovel head, suitable for the spine. This is the flat head, suitable for large areas such as hips, legs, etc. This is called mace head, suitable for large muscles such as hips, legs, etc. Seventh head is lotus head. It's look like lotus, which is suitable for soles of feet. And the last one is bullet head. It looks like bullet. It can be used for local pain points or small muscle groups. Now let's turn on the massage gun. Now let's fix the round head first and we'll see how it works. Turning on the power button. In manual we saw that there are 9 speeds. Now speed is set to 0. Let's increase it to 1. Can you see the vibration now? Let's turn it off. The screen shows use time, our heart rate, body temperature. Overall, I feel it's good. Let's pack it again. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See you.